Good morning, students. Welcome to online class. Last class we have finished poem. Next, go to C reading. Here is the name of the lesson: A letter to a friend. A letter to a friend. Here, two friends, Ramesh and Suresh. Ramesh and Suresh. Ramesh wrote a letter to Suresh. Why Ramesh wrote a letter? Ramesh and Suresh are close friends, childhood friends. Once Suresh, who lived in a village, he visited Hyderabad. Who settled? Ramesh. At that time, Ramesh is unable to meet his friend, who was Suresh. So that Ramesh felt sorry for that. He is not meeting his friend, who was Suresh. So that he wrote a letter to Suresh. Okay, children? So all of you open your textbooks. I told you last class. So I'm reading each and every line. You should go through the line on finger and note down any meaning if requires. I will explain while I'm explaining. So you note down meanings with the help of pencil. So this is the last lesson of first unit. A reading completed, data blanket. B reading, that is My Mother poem completed. Now going to explain here C reading, which is a letter to friend. Now children, all of you open page number 15 of your textbook. So this is very interesting letter. Generally, we should give importance at present our lives more and more importance to friends than our parents, than our relatives, than our parents and relatives. So that we should convey or express any feelings which is sad, which is happy, first to convey to friends. This is a common phenomena in this universe. Okay, now it's a very interesting lesson. See that Hyderabad, date 12/11/2012. So once we should write a letter, so this is called heading. Heading consists of date and place. Date and place. You should write a letter. First you should mention that is particular date when you wrote. Second one is place, comma, full stop. Here is there. Then you are addressing. Here is addressing Dear Suresh. Addressed by Ramesh. Addressed by Ramesh. I already told you Ramesh wrote here. Who wrote a letter? Ramesh wrote a letter to whom? To Suresh. To Suresh. Okay, children, see that? This is Ramesh. Generally introduction. Generally it is formal. Generally I am, my name is once. But at present, modern, the introduction of oneself is this is Kantarao, this is so and so, so and so. Okay. So here this is Ramesh, because here Ramesh is writing a letter to Suresh. This is Ramesh. I apologize. Apologize means sorry. So here is Ramesh asking. So here is a sorry for not attending, not meeting his friend who is Suresh. So why he would say sorry? Because he didn't meet his friend for an appointment. I apologize for not meeting you during your visit. Your visit refers to whose visit here? Suresh visit to Hyderabad last week. So here Ramesh addressing to Suresh. Suresh, you visited Hyderabad last week, but unfortunately I did not meet you. So that's why I am saying sorry. I had a meeting in my office. Who had a meeting here? Ramesh had an urgent meeting at that time when Suresh comes to Hyderabad. The particular time. I remember how we enjoyed our childhood days in Manikonda village. So one thing here, Ramesh is going to remember how Ramesh and his friend who was Suresh, both they were enjoying, how they were enjoying in their childhood days. So both, that is the Ramesh and Suresh, both are living in village which is here Manikonda village. Every day we play together in our garden. Both they are going to play every day. That is generally, but children, for the there is once we go back, that is 20 years or 25, 30 years back, generally people visited some other houses, relatives' houses when summer holidays or Dasra holidays or Pongal holidays or any occasions, people go and come visit their places from one place to another place. So now at present, people did not go this place or that place. Here is there. Every day we played together in our garden. Our family was very big. Here our family means refers to here is whose family here? Both. So here Suresh and Ramesh. But here Ramesh is writing a letter to Suresh. So Ramesh addressing our family. That is here Ramesh family is very big. Generally those days, when once we go back to 50 years or 60 years or 70 years go back, generally we found big families which are joint families. It consists of in every family more than 10 members. Grandparents, parents, brothers, sisters, uncle, aunt. So here is cousins, so many. But nowadays not there. I remember how we played in the moonlight. There were 12 members in our family. Here, how many members are there? 12 members in the family, in every family, more than 10 members. I remember how we played in the moonlight. Moonlight means here is, that is a bright, which is calm, cool breeze, generally summer. So everyone should enjoy that kind of environment. But children, so we didn't find such kind of moonlight, such kind of environment or atmosphere in cities. Our grandma means grandmother, used to give fruits and biscuits. So here is Ramesh grandparents, both Ramesh and Suresh live together. So that here grandparents gave some, they were playing, meanwhile grandmother calling them and their grandchildren. So to give something to eat, that is fruits and biscuits. Like our grandpa refers to here grandfather, used to tell us fairy tales. Fairy tales means the stories which connected to God and goddess. God and goddess. About the princess. About princess and warriors in the village boys. Some village boys and warriors. Here grandfather generally told these almost all kinds of stories. So princess and warriors and kings, God and goddesses. So they are telling stories in a attractive manner. In this way, what is children found out what is good and what is not good. Indirectly, grandparents addressing their grandsons. So what is good and what is not good. They mingled their stories. In this way, so they shared their feelings. They shared their love and affection towards them. Next paragraph, children. See that first paragraph completed. Second paragraph. Now I am walking at Microsoft. Who is working here? Ramesh is working. Ramesh is working where? Microsoft. That is, here is Hyderabad. A software company Hyderabad. As a computer programmer, Ramesh works as a computer programmer where? At Hyderabad. Are married and we have a child. Both here is Ramesh married and he had got a child, one child. My wife works at Dell. Dell is the name of the company. This is also a Microsoft company at Hyderabad as a system analyst. His wife, Ramesh's wife, worked as a system analyst Dell company Hyderabad. So both are working in, that is, computer field general. You know, city life is quite busy. In just, it is our present life. So early morning from they rise from their beds and they completed their almost all, that is, ablutions and complete here is they took the bath and they start at 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock from their houses and they go to their offices. At least they had a bit, especially 1 hour or some, that is here half an hour or 45 minutes from their home to their offices. The journey or like here traffic jam, anything else, they should start, that is, before 1 hour of their office timings. It is common in Hyderabad. So here they started, Ramesh and his wife started from morning. They went to their offices and that is the completion of their office work. Again they come back to their houses evening. So they are very busy with their office work. So here is Ramesh is going to describe how his life in the city. Here children, village atmosphere. In this lesson we found two atmospheres. One is village environment or village atmosphere. Here Ramesh is going to describe everything, how they enjoyed their childhood days and city life. So what is city life? How it is at present? Ramesh is also going to describe his present life which is connected to city life. Ramesh's previous life, childhood life which is connected to village life. Children, see that second diagram. You know, the city life is busy. We start in the morning, leave our child at the baby care center and come back in the evening. I told you first lesson. In the family, nuclear family and joint family. In olden days, that is, those days, joint families are there. So, in a particular joint family, parents, grandparents, brothers, sisters, uncle, aunt, cousins, so and so, more than 10 members. If anyone is there, leave the child, don't bother about them. Don't bother about them. But what about here Ramesh's life? He and his wife and his child only, 3 members, which is called a nucleus family, small family. But he took his child when he started from his office. So his child dropped at baby care centers. So does baby care centers give any kind of love and affection as their own parents? It's not possible. Just they feed something food and they should take care. Don't go outside. Please stay here and write something, learn something enough. But it did not show the real love and affection of the parents, especially grandparents or parents. So this is present life. So Ramesh has no time to look after his child, and here Ramesh's wife also doesn't have any time to look after her child. So both are employees, both are working, both are busy. What about the child? So they should leave their child at baby care centers from morning and they should pick up evening from the return their office. So this is the life. So what about the child situation? We understood children. The child doesn't anything. Love that they did not, the child especially did not know the real love and affection from their parents and grandparents also. Even at present, some of the children, especially, asking do you know any name of that is your grandparents' names or grandfather, grandmother, where they are living? So many children they raise their hands. We did not know our grandparents' names. We did not know where they are living. We did not know. We never see their faces. This is the situation at present life. So people restricted their life in a particular room, in a particular environment. They did not want to share their happiness or their feelings from their parents and grandparents because they are living in a particular world which is busy life. This is city life. Here is describing. We hardly find time to sit together. We means here Ramesh and his wife both are living, sitting together and talking something else. It is very difficult. It is very difficult. Only one day is that is Sunday. In Sunday, so they are going to collect home needs to maintain the family at least 1 week. So they go on, that is shopping. Then never, that is, they talk to each other. They didn't share their feelings, real feelings, love and affection or anything else. That time. This is the situation. Here is not only Ramesh, everyone's life we find at present city lives. How disgusting. Here disgusting means disliking. Here is very strange. What about ourselves? Just we are thinking, what about my life? My life is very busy life, but I don't, some of them that is here. They say proudly, they started their houses at that time their children were sleeping from 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock in the morning. They started from their home to go to somewhere and that is working something like that. Okay. What about evening? They came back, that is at least here is 9:30 or 10 o'clock to reach their home. At that time, children were sleeping in the bed. So from morning they didn't get up, and that is night. That is their father came late night. That is 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock. At that time, their children were sleeping. They never see that is here is their father. That is daily. So only they see their father only. That is the Sunday. This is the present experience. Okay, so the present situation of the life. Here is Ramesh and his wife importance giving the present life. They forgot about almost all relations. But here Ramesh is going to remember his past childhood experiences, sharing his feelings to convey in a letter to Suresh. How disgusting we work with computer. Think like computers and live like computers. We have forgotten our family. We work with computers. We spend most of time with computers. Almost all 10 hours. Sometimes here is 12 hours. They spend with computer. They live in the computer world. Completely they forgot their life. They forgot their family members, relations, so and so. From morning 10 o'clock or 9:30 or 10, they started their work up to here just 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock. 10 to 11 hours they most spend with their computers. So they forgot the life. This is the present life. Here is Ramesh is going to describe past life and present life. Now children, then next third paragraph. I remember how we played Gilli Danda. Gilli Danda is a game. Gilli Danda is a game. Hide and seek. Hide and seek. It is called in Telugu Dagudu Mutulu. And Kabaddi. The famous games are especially villages in Karabilla, Dagudu Mutulu, Kabaddi. These are famous games at villages. So that's once go back to past. People that is most of they spend the different types of games. But at present, no games here. The games only video games. There is no physical stamina especially. They exhausted their strength because they didn't play anything else. Just they see and they watch video games. It doesn't give any kind of physical exercise, and also it doesn't give any kind of mental happiness while we are playing. But there is no alternative, especially people who are living in especially towns, cities and towns. I remember how we played this kind of games. Here is Ramesh going to remember their games. Once we went swimming in our local tank. Near houses, pools like a cherul tank means. Here Ramesh and Suresh both, they were, here is working, they're swimming in their local tanks. Just summer especially, they're catching the fishes, playing something near the bank of the tank. So many games that is here playing. But we never find a tank in city life. In city life, just. Talk every Sunday. Here we live in an apartment where there is no room to play. Here Ramesh and his family. Here Ramesh and family living in apartment. An apartment. Apartment culture. There is no relations especially. We don't know our neighbor's name even also. It's a very funny thing here. So it is very strange. So we don't know our neighbors what they are doing. Our neighbors also don't know ourselves. Everyone should live in their apartment. Here apartment, when once entered into the apartment, they thought that it is their world. It is their world. In apartment, living room and kitchen, and here is bedrooms there. 2 bedrooms or 3 bedrooms is there. And a hall. So they thought that this is the present world in apartment life, but there is no alternative because here people crowded, thousands of thousands, lakhs of people are there. So inhabitancy is the problem. So an apartment culture is existing in present cities. So it is also spread into village nowadays. So here is 2 flats or 3 flats having. Here is a sophisticated, people are addicted to sophisticated environment, especially city life. Once they live in village, but once that is they left their village for job purpose, so that they left their joint families. They live their families, joint families, and they started their life nucleus family. Once Ramesh family is also joint family, but Ramesh got a job. He married and he settled. So as per his job, he lived in Hyderabad city. So that he and his wife and child, this nucleus family. So many joint families are here is scattered into nucleus families because of education or job purpose or something else here. Here we live in apartment where there is no room to play. Our flat is our wall, just like a well for a frog, as you know. A well that is in the frog. The frog is living in the well. It thought that, so I am living this kind of beautiful world, but a small world. A small world. So there is no alternative for a frog. So it is living in the particular place around, twiddling, turning and twirling and turning and turning in the well. So, బావిలో కప్పలు అంటారు. సో ఇక్కడ apartment life kuda, here is comparison, a frog in the well. There is no individuality. There is no freedom. We have to do anything like any kind of function or anything, get permission. If they will give a permission, just we are going to celebrate. If they won't give any permission, we can't do anything else. Even some generally we see that here is the people who were died especially, but they, especially owners of the flat, they won't allow to take the dead body particular place. You should go somewhere else. If you have your own house, you should take your that is dead body of yours, go there. But they won't allow him the apartment culture. So at present, this is the life is present life is the worst life. So here is city life. Here we live in apartment where there is no room to play. Our flat is full, just like a well for a frog. The world remains here is indeed. So then here is children. The very interesting thing is here Ramesh is going to describe everything. Here is environment, every environment of the particular city life. But Suresh is lived in a village. Suresh is lived in a village. Now children, I completed. Here is first 3 paragraphs. Then next go to 4th paragraph. How happy we were in our school. In our school, that is here is Ramesh and Suresh childhood schools. They were very happy. So here in those schools, especially very big schools, more than 60 or 70 members, children. Here is boys and girls. So here is a teacher and he took a stick. So everyone should afraid of the teacher and his stick. So games period is given, drawing period, everything is there in playground. They were enjoying that is evening. After completion of school, so they did not leave their school immediately, especially. So they want to play something in the playground. Here we used to sit in the same row. Both Ramesh and Suresh are sitting in the same row. Generally fighting for the first place of the first bench. It is a very interesting thing. Generally, I too also fight for the first bench because when we were the students were sitting in the front rows, first 2 or 3 benches, the teacher is they thought that the teacher is very near to them. They understood the lesson well, and if sometimes the teacher has asked a question, the teacher has asked questions, any questions to these students, first 2 benches only, first 2 3 rows only. But even though sometimes the teacher asks, check that is middle benches or the last benches also, last rows also, whether they are attending, they are listening the lesson or not. They are just like that questions. Here is how happy we were in our school. We used to sit in the same row, did all the work together and took part in the event. They changed their notes, exchanged their notes, and both they helped in their homework and classwork. Everything is there. Sunday, that is here, especially they were enjoying so lot. I remember how Padmanabhaya sir, who is Padmanabhaya? So children, generally, a teacher who beats the students, particularly, the student did not forget the name of the teacher. Even in the high school or primary school or college. The teacher remembered his name. The student remembered his name. But here is Padmanabhaya sir, Suresh and Ramesh. Their teacher is Padmanabhaya sir. They never forget the teacher's name because here here is Ramesh is going to explain why they didn't forget. Our class teacher appreciated us when we got the first prize in district science fair examination. Science fair. Here district science fair is conducted in district level. So all schools, almost all schools participated. But in the particular school belongs to Ramesh and Suresh, where they studied, the particular school, that is they got the prize in science exhibition. So that their headmaster, who was Padmanabhaya sir, class teacher and headmaster appreciated. Headmaster appreciated Padmanabhaya sir, class teacher, and Padmanabhaya sir appreciated these students who were Ramesh and Suresh because they got a prize in science exhibition. Appreciated us when we got the first prize in district science fair. I remember how we went on a picnic to Koel Sagar. Here is generally education is completely learning and writing examinations, playing something and visiting some other places, excursions like tour, education tour like that. Here is in those days schools conducted educational tours also. There is they got information, so much information. They learned so much information from education tours. Like here is picnic excursions, education excursions. Like here is Nagarjuna Sagar or Araku Valley or Sri Salem. So here is Koil Sagar project. Ramesh and Suresh. That is they remember that is Koil Sagar. Then here is we went boating. At the particular place, Ramesh and Suresh went on boating on the river. Our tour to Sri Salem was memorable, and Koil Sagar is education tour, and Sri Salem is also there. Koil Sagar is here picnic, and Sri Salem is education tour. Both they were enjoy. In those days, students enjoyed almost all kinds of. They are going to celebrate Teachers' Day. They are going to celebrate Independence Day and Republic Day. So education is part and parcel of almost all events of education. So that is every child enjoy this kind of environment. At present also there is children, they are going to celebrate almost all Independence Day celebrations at school, so grand. And some schools even conducted education tours and when that is Ramoji Film City or Charminar and Hyderabad, especially historical places, Golconda and Nagarjuna Sagar and Sri Salem Museum. So many places. Now also that, but it's importance of education. It is very important. So children enjoyed this kind of picnic or science exhibitions. They enjoyed it so much. Padmanabha sir, teacher, appreciated us when we got the first prize. I remember how we went to a picnic, Koil Sagar. Then we went boating. Our tour to Sri Salem was memorable. They never forget Sri Salem excursion. Still I remember the green hills full of trees that almost touched the sky. Almost all here. Full green trees. They were so tall. Even just we look into the sky, just the tree will touch the sky. Chala height lo unde green trees, full of green trees. Hills మీద ఉండే green trees. So చూస్తుంటే అవి ఆకాశాన్ని టచ్ చేసినట్టు కనిపిస్తుంది. Which was so beautiful, so attractive everyone. A good environment. A good environment is there. Here is. Our Sri Salem was memorable. Still, I remember the green hills of full trees that almost touched the sky. Almost all touched the sky. I remember the roaring of the Krishna river at the dam. Here at that time, Sri Salem is the Krishna river. Yes, Sri Salem dam is there. So just they went on the boat, the river. Just they heard a sound of the especially dam water. There is nothing here. At present, all these things are not there for our children. They didn't have any kind of experience for our children. I wonder at my child's silence. He always sits in front of the computer. So I surprised. My child sat in front of the computer, in front of the TV for a long time. She didn't react. No feelings, not at all. So, fixed in front of the TV, fixed in front of the computers. So, no feelings, not at all. Play and games, never caring for anyone. She doesn't care about anyone else. She always watching TV. She always watching computer games, video games and movies, cartoon pictures. Because such kind of enjoyment, such kind of educational tools or such kind of playing, of completion of schools or playgrounds or enjoying, almost all these things never find, entirely change. This is the present situation, especially Ramesh is facing this kind of child situations. Here is they kept the child at baby care centers. They paid the money for take caring of his child. So both wife and husbands are working. So if grandparents are there, generally they kept their child at grandparents, and grandparents told almost all these things in a loving, affectionate manner, and everything is good and everything was fine. So children, now I finished half of the lesson of this class. a letter to your friend. So here is completed. So almost all first half of the part, 4 paragraphs completed. Next class I shall explain remaining part of the lesson. So you should do one thing, children. After completion of my explanation, take your textbook once. You should go read each and every line of completion of the that is lesson. This is very essential to understand the lesson once or twice. If we have class present, generally it is not available. If we class that is asking so many questions to you. But children, everyone, you should remember one thing. You should keep the textbook and reading, and that is finding the difficult words of your notes. Okay, children, I say finally one thing to you, that is stay at home safe. It is very important precautions daily. So I think cases are increasing, but don't be afraid. You should stay at home. Be safe. It is safe place or home. Okay. It is for you and your family. Okay, children. Thank you.